Hi guys, today we are going to see how to create a database in SQL Server, and for that we are going to use SQL Server Management Studio. So let's start. I'm going to go to Start menu, search for SQL Server. This installation of SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio I have shown you in the previous video, for which I will share the link in the comment box. Okay, you can see in or you can see in the description as well. So this is SQL Server 2019, and let's open this and let's start with the creating the database. So this is a server name, guys. Okay, I have got 2019 SQL Server. Click on connect. I'm gonna go to new query and I'm going to start creating a database. So to create a database, you need to learn this command: create database demo database. Okay, so I'm gonna select this whole command, click on execute, and you can see in the databases demo database got created. Okay, it do not have any tables. In the next session we are going to see how to create the tables inside the database. So if you want to make this as the current database, you have to use and you have to give the database name. So right now it's master here. Okay, so if I create this, it is going to be get converted into demo database, and you can start creating a table into this. So we are going to start creating a table in the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you.